What is going on, guys? My name is John Stacks, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 4 supercars that sold at the salvage auction and how much they sold for. I'm just making this video to show you guys some of the deals you could get at the salvage auction and how cheap these cars sell. Now in this particular video the bids are really high, but that's because these are some of the craziest cars that sell at Copart. If you guys enjoyed this video, I will be making a part 2 if we could reach 1,000 likes. So go ahead and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Also, make sure you stay until the end because one of these supercars was owned by a famous YouTuber, and another YouTuber actually bought this car and rebuilt it himself, and it's back on the road. So make sure you stay until the end for that one. First car on my list is a 2008 Lamborghini Gallardo Spyder. And this one sold for just $53,000. Now this car is damaged, of course. It has some rear quarter panel damage and some suspension damage up front, but nothing too crazy. But the crazy thing about this car is the fact that it comes with the $89,000 Underground Racing Stage 3 power package. Underground Racing claims 1,000 horsepower to the wheels on pump gas. That's 93 octane. This kit comes with everything you need to put down that power and to support that power. It includes a twin turbo kit, a fully built short block, a completely new fuel system, and the rest of the supporting mods. So this Lamborghini is ready to go. It has 1,000 wheel horsepower. All you need to do is fix this bodywork and you're all set. The car was listed as a run and drive and there was no mechanical damage mentioned whatsoever. All they mentioned was the damage in the rear end. There might be some minor mechanical damage, but you don't really know until you buy it and start driving. They do let you go out in the yard and inspect these cars like I did, but I couldn't find any damage. The person who bought this car did take a big risk spending $53,000. It's a gamble and they could have won big time. I personally don't think the risk was that big because the fact that this car has the $89,000 twin turbo kit, I'm pretty sure the person who purchased it won big time. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. The second car on my list is a 2017 Lamborghini Aventador SV, and this one only had 73 miles on the clock when it was totaled. I'm assuming the accident went something like this. This car sold for $306,000 after the accident. That's roughly half of the MSRP for an Aventador SV, and that's an absurd amount of money. The damage doesn't seem to be that major, but once the body panels start coming off, it might expose more damage. But I believe this car is going to be repaired and put back on the road. What do you guys think? Was this car a good deal or a complete ripoff? $306,000 for a crashed Aventador SV. Let me know down in the comments below. The third car on my list is by far the craziest car to have ever sold at any salvage auction in the United States, and it's a 2003 Ferrari Enzo. This car only has 2,215 miles and the engine starts up, but it doesn't drive. Now it doesn't drive because of course the wheel's broken off, and I'm assuming an axle is broken as well. So it does run, but it doesn't drive. As you can see, there's a lot of damage to this Enzo. The whole right side is destroyed, and it would be really hard to find any of these parts for sale. So if I had to guess, I would say that the front bumper, the door, and the rear bumper are all going to be repaired because it would be really hard to find these parts, and this repair definitely won't be cheap. I think at the bare minimum it would cost at least $100,000 and maybe upwards of $300,000, but these are just guesses. I couldn't find any parts for sale anywhere online. The only thing I did find was a motor for sale for $275,000. But that was an eBay listing, so it could have been fake. I don't even know. This Ferrari Enzo was only a fraction of the price of all the other Enzo was selling. But of course, this one is damaged, so there's a reason it's selling so cheap. What do you guys think? Would you buy this car? Let me know down in the comments below. So the fourth car on my list is this 2010 Ferrari 458. And it comes with a Liberty Walk wide body kit and this huge spoiler and the zebra wrap. I'm pretty sure you guys recognize it by now. It was previously owned by the YouTuber Daily Driven Exotics. He spent around a year building this car, and then at one of those car shows, somebody crashed into him and totaled it out. After this car was totaled, it was sold at Copart Auto Auctions, and it sold for $81,000, and the YouTuber LB Innovations purchased this car. When he purchased this car, he documented everything. So if you guys want to see more of this, definitely check out LB Innovations on YouTube. I'll provide a link down below. So that's the end of this video, and I want to thank each and every one of you for staying until the end. Thank you for all the support, and I'll see you next time.